Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first method, check if the D drive existing or not. Okay. So click to start and open the file explorer simple and click to D drive. This PC. After that you can see only C drive it's showing like. Okay. Then next step, close it. Then again open. Go to file manager, file explorer, and then this PC, open C drive, go to user. Okay, and which user are you using? Okay, you can click to start and then you can see administrator. Okay, so click administrator, double click to open it and select, you can see D drive, right click to show more. After that you can click to property and then this is location, so you can change the locations. Okay, so find the target where it is located, which one. Okay, yeah, and then restore also. Okay, and if you are created, then you can type this address bar and then apply, then okay wait. Okay, this is first. And if file explorer haven't open it, so click to start, type task, open the task manager. After that, full screen it and then click run new task and then type uh, red edit and then hit enter. After that it will open it. So first, local user, this is local user, extract this and then click to extract the software. Then Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft, local user software Microsoft. In the Microsoft Windows, scroll down, Windows. Okay, extract this. Now it is Windows software Microsoft Windows and then current version. Now you can see current version also there. And then scroll down, Explorer. Explorer. So software Microsoft Windows current version Explorer. Extract this Explorer. Now you can see here Explorer and then find out user shell folder. User shell folder. Okay. Then find the desktop, double click. Okay. So type this command and then click to OK. Then close it. And also check the disk management. Click to start, type disk management. Okay, so you can click right click to open computer management. So click to disk management now. Okay, so you can see here, you can right click to open it also. You can suppose this is your D drive, so you can. Okay, then last, click to start, type, this is so important for this. So right click to run as administrator, cmd, then type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. And when it is completed 100%, then need to restart your system. And please restart and please comment me if your issue is not resolved. So please tell me, I will create another video. Okay, thank you.